Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Today I'm going to talk about my 3 largest positions in my portfolio of $353,000. Scrolling down a bit, taking a look at NVDA, ticker symbol NVDA. It's currently priced at $299 per share. Past year up 105%, so you can see a big surge in the most recent weeks. Past 5 years up 1,619%. This is a very high growth stock that also pays a dividend yield. This makes up 12.2% portfolio or $43,000, about 538%. So there's been a big demand for NVIDIA's GPU chips as well as their data center business. Taking a look at the press release back in August 18th, 2021. They're actually going to report earnings November 17th. So in a little over a week, but I'm just going to show the most recent release report. Revenue is at record highs, up 68% year over year at $6.51 billion. Record gaming revenue of $3.06 billion, up 85% year over year. So it's a very high double-digit growth. And as I mentioned, their data center business is also up 35% year over year. So it's really impressive numbers, and I believe NVIDIA will continue to find opportunities to grow, especially in their GPU business as well as the record data center business. Scrolling down a bit, you can see their CEO, Jensen Huang, that they continue to pioneer work in advanced graphics and scientific computing as well as AI. And it's been a big surge as computing continues to improve, and as well as artificial intelligence. Taking a look at the charts, you can see revenue up 68%, gross margin up 600 basis points, operating expense up 9%, operating income up 275%, net income up 282%, and diluted earnings per share of 276%. It's a very strong growth from NVIDIA, and I see this trend to continue to go upward. Taking a look at my next biggest stock is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Past year up 25%, past 5 years up 449%. So this makes up 9.42% of my portfolio or $33,000. I'm up 272%. Taking a look at Apple's press release on October 28th, 2021, you can see that their September quarter record revenue was up 29% year over year. And their services and Mac revenue reached new all-time highs. So even though the majority of the revenue comes from iPhones, a lot of their other verticals, such as their services, continue to grow. And as there's more users on the Apple ecosystem, their services business is another leverage that can pull to collect recurring revenue monthly just from these services. So for example, Apple Music, to their fitness business, to what else? Cloud. All those are services that they can provide to Apple users so they can continue to collect revenue. You can see that Tim Cook, he announced most powerful products with their M1 powered chips, the Max and iPhone 13 lineup, so they continue to innovate with their new products. And they'll be providing a dividend of 22% or 22 cents per share, which is great to see such a high growth stock to continue to provide a dividend. Next is Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT, currently priced at $335 per share. Past year up 49%, past 5 years up 461%. Scrolling down a bit, this is 6.85% portfolio or $24,000, up 281%. So another high growth stock with the dividend yield. Taking a look at Microsoft's most recent press release on October 26, 2021, you can see that they had a revenue of $45 billion, which increased 22% year over year, very strong double-digit growth. Operating income increased 27%. Net income increased 48%. And then that's GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. And then diluted EPS increased 49%, which is very impressive. So they continue to innovate with their digital technology, and across all sectors, businesses, small and large, continue to improve the productivity with their products, such as cloud computing, as well as their office products. Scrolling down a bit, let me show you the business highlights. So breaking down to different the sectors within the business. So you can see productivity and business processes increased 22% versus intelligent cloud, which is one of their growing businesses, increased 31% year over year. And the more personal computing increased 12% year over year. This is very impressive double-digit growth, considering Microsoft is already one of the most valuable companies in the world, and seeing this kind of growth is very impressive. So that's all for this video. Those are my 3 top stocks: Microsoft, NVDA, Apple. What are your thoughts on those stocks? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.